Hello everyone. Today we will make a Holi special art and we will be using the splash painting technique. So let's make the sketch for it. We will be writing Happy Holi at the center, and around this typography we will be adding pitchkaris and bubbles and splashes there. So write happy word like this and try to copy the stylization that I have done. Make the fonts italic, make it go a little slant when you're writing, and over here you can start by drawing edge a little bigger. Since this is the main word, the word holy, so I'm paying more emphasis on it like this. As you can see, it is bigger and it's broader like this. A loop over here as well. Then we write alphabet O like this. Again, make it broader, and then alphabet L like this, as you can see. Notice that all the letters are slightly tilted towards the right. Over here add droplets like this, one pointing towards the upper portion, another one over here. All the three droplets are also in three different sizes. Add splashes like this, some circles for the splashes, and we draw the baseline like this. You can see that it's a little broader on the left side, and on the right side it's a bit thinner. Then make circles like this. Similarly, add more splashes on the other side of this alphabet. Here and there, circles and droplets emerging from one area like this. Over here we will draw a pitchkari. For that we will start by making a triangle like this, and then we'll make lines this way, slant lines, and then connecting them this way over here and making its handle at the back here. Notice that we are using double line for making the back and the handle of the same. Similarly, make the pitchkari on this side as well, this way. Another rectangle and making a triangle over here for the nozzle, and then adding its handle at the back. Add more droplets over here this way, and now we will add hearts hanging from this line that we have under the word holy. So I'm going to make this dotted line and I will add hearts, and these lines, they will not all be of same sizes, but some will be short, some will be long like this. Just follow me as I make them, and that's all that you need to do. Now over here we'll add a bowl of color. So make a line like this and then another line over here this way on both the sides, and join them from the top as well, making the bowl. Add another line next to the brim of this bowl here, and then we'll draw heaps of color over it that is being kept. But before that, let's sketch another bowl with using the similar technique. Repeat the steps that you did for the earlier bowl. Here I start by adding the brim first and double line it, and then I'll add the lower portion of the bowl as well. Add the heap of color here as well. That's it, we are done with the sketch. Now erase the supporting lines that we made for writing the text of the word holy. And we'll start with the coloring part now. We will be adding splashes of color on the paper, so I'm adding water first, and then I will take green color and I'll add a lot of water in it so that it's very watery. but a bit dark as well, because as you know, watercolor gets lighter when it dries. So make sure that the color that you're using is not too light and neither too dark as well, because you do not want it to be really dark and intense, so that when it dries and when we are coloring and painting the word holy or the splashes that we have made, those things stand out and not the background. So here I mixed yellow color, lemon yellow color in this green color, and now I'm adding splashes over here this way. I'm adding some yellow color as well. Next, add a bit of crimson color this way here. Again, you can see it's very watery.